Have you ever noticed something strange? Two people can say the same words, do the same job, stand in the same room, yet one is respected instantly, and the other is casually disrespected. They get interrupted. They get talked over. Their boundaries get crossed. And the worst part? Most of them don't even realize why it keeps happening. Here's the truth nobody tells you. People don't disrespect you because you're weak. They disrespect you because of a signal you send, quietly, unconsciously. Every time someone cuts you off, jokes at your expense, or ignores your words, their brain is asking one question: how much can I get away with here? And your response trains them. Most people respond emotionally. They explain too much. They laugh it off. Or they stay silent while feeling angry inside. And the brain reads that as permission. Here's the shift that changes everything, and you only need to do it once. Remove emotion from disrespect. Replace it with calm clarity. That's it. Not anger. Not silence. Not proving anything. Calm boundaries. Because the human nervous system is wired to respect control. When you react emotionally, the brain reads uncertainty. When you stay calm, the brain reads authority. That's neuroscience. Watch what happens in real life. Someone interrupts you. Instead of raising your voice, instead of staying quiet, you pause, look at them, and say calmly, "Let me finish." No explanation. No apology. Just certainty. Or someone makes a joke that crosses the line. You don't laugh. You don't attack. You pause and say, "Don't do that." That pause is powerful. It creates discomfort, not in you, but in them. Their brain expected emotion. You gave control, and control changes the dynamic instantly. Here's why this works so fast. The brain mirrors behavior. Your calm forces their nervous system to slow down. Their confidence drops. Their respect rises. Suddenly, they're unsure. And people don't disrespect someone they feel unsure around. The first time you do this, something else happens too. Your own brain rewires. You stop seeing yourself as someone who must tolerate nonsense. You start responding instead of reacting. And once people see that shift, they remember it. Disrespect is a test. And calm boundaries are how you pass it. You don't need to repeat yourself. You don't need to explain your worth. One clear moment is enough. Because respect isn't demanded. It's demonstrated. Do this once, and watch how fast people stop disrespecting you. Not because they changed, but because you changed the signal.